How to activate dark mode on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually activate dark mode on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate dark mode on your iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the settings app. So currently you can see I'm on light theme. So if I want to switch to dark theme, what do we do? There are many things that you can do. One thing that you can do is directly once you open settings, go to display and brightness. You can see it's set to light, so I can just set this to dark like this, and then after that I'll be instantly switched to the dark mode. But for this case, let me just come back to the light. Now let's say that the process to go to all these settings is such a hassle for you. You can actually add the dark mode toggle in your quick control panel settings, because you can see over here I have the dark theme button. If I tap on it, I'll switch to dark mode. If I tap on it, I'll switch to dark mode again, or light mode. Or if I long press on the brightness icon, I can also turn on dark mode from this specific option. Now to customize this, all you need to do is simply go to control center, and then here you can see dark mode. So by default this dark mode may not be here, it could be under the not included control section. So over here, if I just tap on remove here, dark mode will be switched to bottom. I can just tap on the plus icon to actually add this to my control panel setting, and then it will be added to my control panel anywhere I want this to be. And whenever I just swipe down, I'll be able to see the dark mode toggle over here. This is simply how you can switch to dark mode on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.